Nyota iria arutwo a cukuru wa muthingi wa Kakamega makoretwo nayo thutha wa guikara mucii kiumia kimwe niyo itumire maroke cukuru kiroko imeritanaitĩka riria meriga cukuru mari hamwe na aruna ao 14 aria makuire mutino-ini wa murangano wa arutwo mathaini ma kuinuka. Aingĩ a arutwo maroketio cukuru ni aciari ao makĩũrio mathie na mbere na kwĩyũmĩrĩria.
Wawapatie moyo, wawapatie nguvu na wawaambie hilo jambo halitarudia tena. Wawe wakuwe tu watoto wazuri, wasikuwe na uoga, wajue kwamba hili ni jambo ambalo linaweza tendeka kila anywhere.
Urugamiriri wa cukuru uyu ni ubangite mutaratara wa kuhe arutwo, arutani na aciari mataro ma kuhoreria meciria thutha wa mutino ucio.
When people arrive at the school, they are received, they are identified that they have that need, they are isolated and taken to the registration tent, and then they are given special counselors who take them through the services until they are satisfied.
Sisi tuongeleshwe, hata mimi nilikuwa nimefikiria maybe kutoa watoto hapa nipeleke kwingine, but kwa vile wametuandalia hii kitu ya guiding and counseling, naona ni kama itatusaidia.
We are proposing and hoping that well wishers could join us in this is actually to have a middle stairway so that we have a middle, the kids, the 2 classrooms on that and the 2 classrooms on this end can exit through the 2 extreme stairs, and the middle stairs, the 4 other classes left can exit from there.
Thirikari nĩ gathĩrĩirio nĩ ũteithio wayo kũrĩ cukuru na famĩlĩ cia ciana iria ciakuĩrĩire mutino-ini ũcio. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Bio wa Wambui.